Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. If your Dasher app is not showing or working with Apple CarPlay, it can be really frustrating, especially when you rely on it for navigation and deliveries. Many drivers expect the app to appear automatically on the CarPlay screen, but sometimes it doesn't show up at all or stops working suddenly. This can happen due to permission settings, outdated apps, or CarPlay restrictions. The tricky part is that even if your phone is connected, the app still might not display unless everything is configured properly. The good thing is that with a few simple fixes, you can get the Dasher app working smoothly again with CarPlay. Try these. Step 1. Make sure your iPhone is properly connected to CarPlay. Step 2. Update the Dasher app in iOS to the latest version. Step 3. Go to Settings, then General, then CarPlay, and select your car. Step 4. Check if the Dasher app is allowed or visible in CarPlay apps. Step 5. Enable location services and background app refresh for the app. Step 6. Restart your iPhone and reconnect CarPlay.